Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, we will guide you through these steps to disable the auto renewal feature on your Lycamobile plan directly from your phone. First, open your phone dialer. Now, dial *190#. Then press the call button. After dialing, you will receive a prompt on your screen. Follow the instructions provided. When prompted, enter 1 to confirm the cancellation of auto renewal. Once you have confirmed, you will receive a message indicating that auto renewal has been successfully turned off. Your current plan will remain active until its expiration date, but it won't renew automatically thereafter. And that's it. You have successfully disabled auto renewal on your Lycamobile plan. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.